Martin, and this is the basement of my home at 2410 Swanee Point Drive in Lawrenceville. So what we have going on here is, this is not the way this house was when we bought it. Obviously we have some stuff happening here which I need to explain to you guys. Okay, so whenever it rains, we noticed that when it rains, we have this area of the house, of the carpet, soaked in water. Now, we bought this house in June of this year during the dry period, and it did not start raining heavily until about October. And one day we came downstairs and noticed that all of this here was soaked. So you see, if I can do like this, you're seeing water, right? Now, when I pull back this here, you're going to see the extent of the water. It goes all the way behind there. Now, at first I thought that there was a burst pipe that was causing all of this water. Then I realized that all of the pipes are on that side of the house. So the only possibility was that it was coming from the outside. And we will go outside in a while and I will show you where this water is coming from. It's actually coming from underneath here, underneath this area here. So if you notice the strips that hold the carpet in place, if you look at this strip here, you're going to realize it's pretty new. It's pretty new. It's new. It's new. And then in this area here, it starts to get brown and moldy. And from here, it rots away completely. And you can see pieces of the rotted strips coming all the way here. Then it starts recovering a bit here, still very rotted. Then it goes around and it becomes new around that side of the strip. So clearly the water is coming from somewhere here, seeping into the house from the outside. Now, look at the condition of this carpet. So this carpet is pretty badly stained. When we bought the house, this was all concealed. It is when I realized that there was water here that I pulled back the carpet to see what was happening. And what we found is that all of this carpet here is damp and it's very badly stained. Now the question we have to ask ourselves is, how long has this been going on? In my view, this level of damage does not occur in a day, a week, a month, or maybe even months. This has to be something that has been going on in this house for at least a year or more. If you come here, you're going to see the extent of clean carpet, and then you get these stains, water stains. So this is something that's been soaking in water alternatively for years, I would believe. It only happens when the rain falls heavily for about a day or so. So it takes a day of constant wetting and soaking for this area to become as damaged as it is here. So if I pull back this here, you can see what's going on. There's water all here, all there. So when we first noticed the water, this entire area was soaked. And we've used these fans here. You can see a fan here and you can see a fan here to sort of dry out this area, and we're still working on getting that part of the carpet dry and the underlay. Now my big concern is what's taking place behind this drywall. You can't smell it, but right now there's a very strong sort of moldy smell in here. And the fact that this strip is so badly rotted tells me that there's water behind there, or there's water damage behind this drywall, which is this is the inside and there's the outside concrete wall. So there has to be something going on behind here because I'm getting a scent. So I have a mold remediation guy coming in to take a look at this and to tell me what he thinks is happening. But there is clearly an issue taking place here that did not start when I bought this house. So come with me, we're going to go outside and we're going to look to see where I think the problem started.